This is one of the most popular express cruiser outboard boats on the entire market. My name is Brian McClenn with MarineMax. Today we're going to take you guys through this 2021 Grady White 370 Express, powered with triple 425 Yamahas. Before we hop on board, a little bit about the boat. This boat was originally sold and delivered by MarineMax. It's a single owner vessel. All service history has been done with our dealership. It just came out of the yard in December 2024. We completed a 300-hour Yamaha engine service, generator service, a complete detail from top to bottom, recent battery replacement. This boat is 100% tuned up and ready to go. As we step on board, we'll board through the portside dive door. For those that are familiar with the 370 Express, we all know this boat can do it all, from fishing, cruising, overnight trips. It really has features for the entire family. Starting here in the back, we have a extremely large aft fish box. This does have a cooler system in it to keep your ice and fish cold, or if you're day boating, put your drinks and food in here. We have a divider to keep whatever you have separate. And off to the port side, we do have dock lines right now, but we do have another storage box. Two boarding areas, one off to the port side, which we just came through, and then we do have a starboard side boarding area with the dive ladder. Very, very spacious area for fishing. We have rod holders all the way around, outriggers up on top. We do have a live well and a prep station in this area. For your cruising days, we do have a pop-up bench seat, extendable sunshade up on top to give you coverage from the sun. And then, however you decide to use the boat, all of this eyes and glass is removable. So behind here, it reveals some aft-facing seats on both sides. So it expands your seating area. In addition, we do have an electric grill. So a lot of good features for the entire family to enjoy. As we step into the helm area, this is the only 37-foot express outboard boat on the market with the center helm. Super cool, well designed. You have seating off to both port and starboard side around your captain. We have a sunroof up on top for some extra ventilation on those nice days, but we also have helm AC. The helm is very well appointed. We have twin 16-inch Garmin screens, Yamaha engine display, all of your rocker switches very nicely labeled, easy to use. This is pretty cool. This is an electronics box which comes down and conceals when you're not using the boat. Well appointed for control around the dock, Yamaha joystick with drift point, fish point, stay point, all the great features. In addition, for optimal control, we also put a bow thruster in the boat. Fusion audio, speakers throughout the entire boat, Seakeeper stabilized, trim tabs. This boat is very, very well appointed. One thing I appreciate about Grady is the windshield design. As you can see, looking forward, one single piece windshield, no obstructions, very easy to see when you're operating the boat. And then we actually have a vent there in the center to allow some nice natural airflow as well. We'll head down to the cabin, where you have sleeping for 4 to 6. Your main sleeping area is up front. You can see Grady did a beautiful job, well-appointed wood all the way throughout. Some nice touches down inside the cabin. Pull-out refrigerator drawers, Kenyan stovetop, microwave, lots of great storage here in the galley. And on the starboard side, we do have a nice dinette. Dinette does lower to expand into another berth. If you take a step into the head area, we have a very, very spacious head and shower. In the aft part of the boat, we have your final sleeping area. Again, just a quick walkthrough here of this 2021 Grady 370 Express. Again, my name is Brian McClenn with MarineMax and Stuart. We'd love to take you through the boat in person or answer any questions. Feel free to give me a call directly at 561-635-6811. Thanks for watching.